Recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. Well, today I'm going to be sharing with you another Goan traditional recipe, and this time it's a Goan traditional brinjal pickle recipe. Many of you might remember this from your childhood. You know, your grandmoms or nanas used to definitely make this. So this is a very simple recipe, and it's really delicious. And it goes so well with some sorak and rice and fried fish, or even with some plain dal and rice. It tastes simply, yummy. And the aroma of this pickle is also really beautiful. So let's head on to my kitchen today, and I'm going to show you how to make this amazing Goan Brinjal Pickle. So now friends, for prepping up for this pickle, what you need to do is you need to buy, I'm making a very small quantity. I always like to start with, making a smaller quantity. So here I'm just using a medium-sized entire brinjal or eggplant, the dark purple one. Don't use the small baby brinjals, or don't use the ones which have the purple and white stripes. So I'm using this entire medium-sized dark purple brinjal. Now the procedure is wash your brinjal thoroughly well. After that, you're going to cut it into really small cubes. And like all pickles go, we're going to put it into some salt. We're going to, put a lot of salt into it as per the measurements I'm going to give you in the recipe. And then we're going to let this sit for at least an entire day, for 24 hours. We're going to squeeze out all the water as much as you can. So 2 or 3 times, just squeeze out all the water from the brinjal. The next thing would be to take a kitchen napkin or a large handkerchief or just a linen cloth and just spread out all of these brinjal pieces and let the sun dry, or just leave them on your kitchen platform for a day or 2. Once that is done, we're going to then deep fry these brinjal pieces. We don't want them to become crispy, but we want them to be fried till they turn a little dark brown in color. Goan pickles go, we're going to make a spice paste which is going to be ground in vinegar. So there's no water to be used in this pickle at all. then as usual, as all pickles, Goan pickles go, we're going to make a spice paste which is going to be ground in vinegar. So there's no water to be used in this pickle at all. And then of course we're going to use a little bit of oil. We're going to bagar some finely chopped ginger, garlic and curry leaves. And then we're going to add the spice paste, fry the paste well, then add the brinjals. Then we're going to be adding some jaggery or gur instead of using sugar, because that adds a lovely flavor to this pickle. And this pickle is a little bit on the sweet, the sour, the spicy kind of a mix. It's just simply divine.
like today's recipe, and I'm sure you're going to give it a try. My advice would be just start off with a little quantity like I did, because I was picking it for the first time too. And once you have the confidence that you can go ahead with a larger quantity, then make it. And then, even you can understand, okay, I need to add this a little more, I need to change the sweetness or the spiciness as per your taste. So always start with a little bit, and when you have the confidence, then go for a larger quantity.
So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. I need those thumbs up, guys. And of course, if you haven't hit the red subscribe button, then please do. And once you hit that button, it will show you a small little bell icon. Click that, because that way, whenever I put up a new video or a vlog, or I am streaming online where I can get in touch with you, you are online, I'm online, we can chat with each other, then you will know that I'm online if you click the bell that way. And you know that, okay, Akshata is online, I can chat with her, I can see her recipes, her vlogs. So don't forget to do that. Also friends, I'm very active on my Instagram account, on my Facebook account, and I also have a blog. All of these are under the name Akshata's Recipes. I will leave a link for all of them down in the description box, so be sure to follow me there too. You can become friends with me on Insta, on Facebook, and that way we can stay in touch. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, have a great week, have a great month. Stay healthy, stay fit, and be kind and loving to one another. So on that note, I will end this video, but I will catch you soon, sooner than you think. This is Akshata signing off. Take care. Bye.